Hey everybody, how's it going? I've decided for this video I'm going to go on a little trip. It's not a huge trip, but I thought I would just get in my van and get away for a little bit. So I'm gonna go down to the lake and try to find a place to camp tonight. I have a feeling this is going to be a very peaceful night. I just got out here and I am the only one out here. There's one other truck. It looks like they're out on the boat right now. But once that truck leaves, I'm going to be the only one in this parking lot. I'll show you around. So here's where I'm parked. And then there's one other truck. But other than that, I'm all alone, which is perfect. I'll take you down to the water real quick. I think I'm gonna swim in this water. I went down and felt it a minute ago and it's not too cold. So, and it's in the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees, so perfect weather to go swimming. I stopped by Walmart and picked up some stuff to make tacos tonight, so I'm gonna go swim for a little bit and then go back up to my van and make tacos. This is the clearest, cleanest lake in my area. The lake that's up by my house there's no visibility at all. It's pretty dirty water, but this water is very clear. I don't know if you recognize this area or not, but a couple of videos ago I went scuba diving where I crushed my GoPro. And this is the exact same spot that me and my dad went scuba diving. So when we came out here, I told my dad that I wanted to come back out here with my van and go camping. I'm not technically in a camping spot. I just, at the Oklahoma State Parks, you can buy a parking pass for 24 hours, which is $8. So I just bought one of those and I'm just gonna sleep in a parking space tonight. There's no electricity hookups or anything like that, but I've got plenty of electricity in my van, so I'm not worried about that. And this area is nice because there's a bathroom right up there, so that's a plus. So now I think I'm gonna go up to my van and change and go swim for a little bit. The only thing that I need to use the stove for is to heat up the chicken. Alright, so now I just need that to warm up. I guess I'll go grab everything else. It's not the fanciest taco in the world, but it's pretty good. Alright, so I got everything from dinner put up and cleaned. So now I think I'm just gonna kick back, watch TV, and relax for the rest of the evening. It is very quiet out here. I'm the only one out here, and it's dark, so I can see the stars really well. My camera won't pick them up, but it looks really cool out here. I love it. Tomorrow I'm probably going to take the camera around and just walk around and see what all's out here. The only area that I've been out here is this particular area from when me and my dad go scuba diving, and that's it. So I kind of want to walk around and see what else, see what else is around here. But I'll pick you guys back up in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I've seen several areas where you can play disc golf, and I've seen a pool and a playground for kids. So with all that, plus the lake, there's quite a bit to do here. And I saw that you could rent cabins, and they've got campgrounds as well. So it's a pretty nice place. So far, the only negative thing that I've noticed with this park are the bathrooms. Well, in particular, the one up by the scuba area, it's not all that great. I haven't been into any of the other ones, so I don't know about those, but the one over by the scuba area could be a little better. Well, this was a quick trip. However, I really enjoyed it. Just coming out here by myself with nobody else around and camping for the night, it's just what I needed. You know, before I started traveling in this van, I never really did anything alone. I always wanted to do things with other people around me. Yes, I still enjoy doing things with other people. However, I've realized that I really enjoy just going out by myself and doing things. I've never really thought of myself as somebody that would enjoy that, but since I've stepped out of my comfort zone with this van, it's not near as bad as I thought it was going to be. With all the trips that I've been on so far, I've realized that I really do enjoy traveling alone. For the most part. It is nice to travel with other people every once in a while and have that interaction, but being by myself, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I do want to take a minute and thank you all for all the kind words and the thoughts and prayers that you all commented on my community post that I posted last week. If you didn't see that post, the reason why I didn't have a video last week is because unfortunately a family member passed away, and I didn't work on a video last week. So I really appreciate you all commenting and all of your thoughts and prayers. It really means a lot to me and my family, so thank you. But I think that's where I'm going to end it this week. I think next week I'm going to be doing a little bit more on the build, so I'm excited for that and getting one step closer to being done with this build. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next Thursday. This spot's not very level, so I may have to move down to a level spot later. tomorrow I'm probably going to take the camera around and just walk around and see what all's out here.